Hello lovelies, this is the stepped running stitch. It's two parallel lines of running stitch, but the stitch on the bottom line is between the two stitches on the top line. You can do them as close together or as far apart as you like. They all give a different result in the end. But basically we're going to do these two lines. I'm going to cut to the almost finished. Here's one I've done earlier, because otherwise we'll be here all day. I've changed to a different colour for this stitch. We're going to bring our needle up through the fabric next to that bottom stitch. And then we're going to take our needle under and up that bottom stitch and the top stitch. Use the eye of the needle, it will prevent you from catching your needle on the fibres. And then we're going to take our needle down through the top one and then down through the bottom one. Do not push the needle with your finger. They are sharp and pointy and they will hurt you. So now we're going to come up through that bottom second stitch and we're going to go back up through the top second stitch. Pull the needle through gently. Remember to keep this quite loose because you don't want to pull those stitches too tight. You want them to have a nice curved shape to them. And now I'm going to do the fast forward again to the finished line. But once we've done this, I'm going to show you how to put it into a circle and make it look like a Tudor rose. And it's very easy to finish off this stitch. You're going to bring your needle back down through those last two stitches, and then you're going to take your needle down through the fabric right next to the end of that bottom stitch. So it's the complete opposite of how we started. Now we're going to do a circle, and that's going to involve a large outer circle and a small inner circle. You're going to do the spots around the middle first. These are the stitches that you're going to start with. And then I will do the stitches on the outer ring. Remember, the bottom stitch is always between the top two stitches. We're now going to form those petals for this rose. So we're going to finish off those running stitches, and then we're going to bring our needle up through the fabric at the start of that first stitch. And we're basically going to work these stitches exactly like we worked the one in a straight line. We're just going around in a circle. It sounds really complicated, but it's not. You can do this. Remember, we're always going under these stitches. We're never going through the fabric until we finish. Make sure you keep those little curves because they're the petals basically. Like I said, you can put these stitches as close together or as far apart as you like. So we're going to work our way all the way round, filling in those petals. Isn't it sweet? I'm going to incorporate this into one of my patterns, I think. We finish this off slightly differently. We're not going in next to the last stitch. We're going in next to the beginning stitch so that we complete this whole petal effect. We need more flowers. Happy stitching.